Hey, it's Jeremy from Retro Shop, and on the bench today we have a set of headlights for a '08 Mustang GT500. As you can see here, these are the different shaped lights than the normal Mustangs. And we have a set of LED projectors, Panamara shrouds, and we've also etched the lenses with the cobras. So let's show you those. There's our lens etching there. There's the other side. So of course on here we've got the Panamara shrouds. These are the color changing ones. So let's go ahead and change this to green. And then we can set it to any other color that we want to use. And you can set it back to white for, legal purposes, of course. We can have it set to different themes here on speed. And this can change, at a show, you can have them running and doing whatever you want. So if you guys have any questions about this build or any other build that we do here at Retro Shop, feel free to reach out to us via the methods listed in the post. Thank you very much.